You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this important word. This is the base of life: eating, food, drinking, and digestion. I know it's a bit of a mouthful. I always struggle to pronounce it, but let's break it down. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Digestion. Alright, chun, as in C-H-U-N, chun. Digestion. What's a little bit tricky is the gestion, the S sound followed with the ch sound. The stress is on the ges syllable. How to pronounce digestion? Can you pronounce it? Do you struggle a little bit like I do? Let me know in the comments. Digestion. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.